Truth about six-pack abs reviews. Use this review to learn the truth. This is presented by www.loseweightin3days.com. Well, the reality is that many of the truth about six-pack abs reviews are not as objective as you would like them to be. Use this one to find out what the program is all about and how it can help you. Get to learn the truth so that you can make a decision based on facts and not on promises. Now, this program has been developed by fitness expert Mike Geary, who is running a successful chain of fitness centers. These are not only impressive facts, they give you certainty that you will get to work out with the help of a fitness expert in exactly the same way as you would if you were to go to a gym. Now, you will get professional exercise instructions, guidelines, and advice. So you may want to ask, what is the program all about? Well, this one of the Truth About Six-Pack Abs review will not go into details about the different workouts that you will have to do. It will mainly focus on the most important aspects, what the exercises are, who they are suitable for, and how and whether they work. Okay, so let's begin. The program has been designed to be suitable for both men and women, and each exercise plan comes with special exercise for warming up and cooling down. This means that you can readily work out effectively no matter how old or young you are. This feature makes the program suitable even for people with joint and bone problems, and one with chronic medical conditions as well. The risk of injuries is reduced to the very minimum. Now you may want to ask, does the work only offer the abs exercise? Well, this program is focused on abs exercise because they work out your core muscles, okay, the ones of the your stomach and the lower back. Once these muscles are effectively trained, you will achieve much faster results with less effort when training all other muscle groups in your body. For this reason, this one of the Truth About Six-Pack Ab reviews finds the program is effective for making you fit and elegant. Now, it is worth pointing out that the author has come up with a complete set of exercises that are designed for working all of the muscle groups in the body. This one of the Truth About Six-Pack Abs review finds that one of the main advantages of the program is that all exercises are designed to be done without the use of gym equipment. This makes the program extremely affordable and suitable for people with different income levels as well. In addition, you can work out in the comfort of your own home, which is a super benefit, especially if you're worried about your looks. Now, this reviews find the program to be extremely comprehensive as it contains a detailed diet plan. You will get ready meal plans as well as valuable advice on when to eat and how. The author has designed the specific diet to allow you to lose weight and build muscle mass while following the exercise program. So, if you want to lose your body, you lose your fat and build up a very elegant body shape, this will be the program that you will need to consider of getting it. Now, of course, there are more and more different weight loss tips that you need to know about in order to make you a success. And before you really go into this program, you can basically go to our website at www.loseweightin3days.com and learn more tips and tricks for your own benefits. In addition, if you sign up at the www.loseweightin3days.com, you can actually get a free report on permanent weight loss and fitness for your own information as well. Well, I hope you find this information useful, and I will talk to you soon again.